Yo, what up? I'm out here getting it on a rainy Saturday. Headed to Massachusetts. I would do an outside video for y'all, but it's raining hard, so I'm just backing up to my trailer, about to hook up and get to it. I just want everybody to stay motivated and positive. Positive vibes, baby. Always remember, don't drive fast in inclement weather. I'm not trying to be Mr. Safety Dude, but hey, you gotta be careful out here, man. Let me show y'all what's going on out here. Muddy and rainy. I had to come all the way on the other side to find my trailer, y'all. This is what I got going on. Muddy, muddy, muddy. But my work don't stop, baby. Rain, sleet, or snow, I gotta get it. If y'all have any questions, comments, let me know. Subscribe. Trucker J, I'm about to be out. I'm gonna hit y'all up later, man. Probably when I shut down at the truck stop, I got about a good 650 something miles ago, 658 miles. So till next time, keep it between the lines, y'all. I'm out. Stay blessed.